Today is Wednesday the 10th or the 11th, I'm not sure. But we're back at the Melissa Morgan Fine Arts outside gallery. So they've changed a lot of different displays. We were here about 2 years ago. So let's walk around and see everything that they've done. On the corner of San Luis Rey and El Paseo in downtown Palm Desert. So let's go ahead and start looking around here and see the new displays that they have. And I think this one's new. I don't remember this one from last time. That board in the back I don't think has anything to do with this one though. So these are just out in the open. They're just by the side of the street here. I think this one was here last time also. Well, I could be mistaken. These are different. These signs here, I think. These were different than the last time. And don't know what this is over here. Don't know quite what this is over here. This is one of the other statues that they have here. It's kind of different too. And this thing. There's a big tube. These I think were here last time when we came up. These were here last time. Pretty sure. And we'll go over here. There's this thing here. It says the visitors gallery. They got the sign right in front of the, okay? Right in front of the, okay? This is never open. I come by here all the time, and this is never open. Some more here. And there's this thing. This says what it is. Okay. Here's another one here. Okay. And we'll go in the back and get this guy. And he's in the shade, so might not show up very well. Okay. And we'll go around and look at this guy. There we go. Well, that's reasonable, isn't it? What this sign says. That's reasonable, huh? Another one up here. There we go. Okay. We're in the sun here. So let's come around this way. Actually, I think this guy we gotta get him in from this angle, huh? Yeah, we gotta get this guy from this angle. And then he's knocking down all this stuff here. That came out from here. All the way up to there. Okay. Let's go look at this thing here. And we got another one out here. And then let's go back and get this guy from a different angle here. Got this guy here, and see the ones in the back, and then we'll swing back over to this guy. Over to this angle. Get it a little closer, I guess. Okay, I don't remember doing this first part here. Okay. And here's this Melissa Morgan Sculpture Garden. Here's the back line here. Okay, well, we're kind of facing into the sun, but we missed one big one. We had company over here. We got company over here. And this is over here. This sign here. And we just want to make sure we get this guy over here. There we go. This guy we missed first time. And we'll walk around him a little bit. There we go. Well, we'll walk back over here. Okay guys, I think we'll go ahead and stop it here. We've done everything that is new, went through the whole thing, so I'm going to go ahead and stop it here for today, and we'll figure out what we're going to do tomorrow and the next day. So go ahead and sign off for now. See everybody later. Bye.